Objective number 1. Is the brightness of the light on the product highly effective?
Highly effective if the light produced is visible. Effective, the light produced is slightly visible. Effective if the light produced is slightly dim. Not effective if the light produced is absolutely dim. When we say visible, it means able to be seen. Therefore, we can say that the brightness of the light of a product is highly effective when the light produced is visible and able to be seen throughout the test. Now, let's test whether the brightness of the light of the product is highly effective. Based on our observations, was the brightness of the light of the product highly effective?
Objective number 2. Is the stabilization of the light on the product highly effective?
Highly effective if the light produced is stabilized. Effective if the light produced is slightly stabilized. Slightly effective if the light produced is slightly flickering. Not effective if the light produced is flickering.
When we say stabilize, it means not shaking. Therefore, we can say that the stabilization of the light of our product is highly effective if the light produced is not shaking and is still throughout the test.
Now, let's test whether the stabilization of the light on the product is highly effective.
You can also refer in the next objective if you want to see whether the light is stabilized for a long period of time.
Based on your observations, was the stabilization of the light on the product highly effective?
Objective number 3. Is the duration of the light on the product highly effective?
Highly effective if the product can produce light for 6 minutes or above. Effective if the product can produce light for 45 minutes and 59 seconds. Slightly effective if the product can produce light for 2 to 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Not effective if the product can produce light for 1 minute and 59 seconds or below.
We can say that the light of the product is highly effective if the light produced lasted for 6 minutes or above.
Now, let's test whether the duration of the light on the product is highly effective. Based on our observation, was the duration of the light on the product highly effective?
To avoid wasting your time, you can also use this test as a reference to answer the objective number 3, in the effectiveness of the buzzer, where we also test the duration of the produced audible sound. In this case, you'll also determine whether the audible sound lasted for 6 minutes and above. Objectives number 4. Overall, is the light of the product highly effective?
Highly effective if 3 out of 3 questions are marked highly effective. Effective if 2 out of 3 questions are marked highly effective. Slightly effective if 1 out of 3 questions are marked highly effective. Not effective if 0 out of 3 questions are marked highly effective. We can say that the light of our product is highly effective if 3 out of 3 questions were marked highly effective. Based on our observations, was the light of the product highly effective?